Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on Kalimba. Start by tuning your Kalimba, choosing a scale, and mapping keys to the Minecraft melody. Listen closely to the original theme, then isolate short motifs and play slowly. Mark repeating phrases and practice transitions between them. Use a metronome to build steady timing and increase speed only after accuracy is solid. Warm up gently and approach each Minecraft theme phrase by phrase so your fingers learn the shape. Play slowly at first and concentrate on clean note attacks and steady timing. Repeat each motif until it becomes automatic, then connect phrases together. Record practice sessions to spot errors and refine sounds. Gradually increase tempo while keeping clarity and celebrate small improvements to stay motivated. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading music books and digital tabs easy anywhere, which pairs nicely with practice sessions. It's lightweight, has great battery life, and is easy to hold while you learn. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When arranging Minecraft music for Kalimba, simplify chords into arpeggios and prioritize the melody so it sings clearly. Use light rhythm taps or hums to suggest harmony without overcrowding the instrument. If a passage sits out of range, transpose it up or down to fit your tuning. Keep arrangements sparse and musical, and test as you go to ensure each change supports the overall mood of the piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.